What if I told you that your brain could start healing itself in just 14 days? That the fog you've grown accustomed to isn't permanent? Here's what happens when you give your brain a break from alcohol. Within the first week, your neurons begin to repair their protective coating, like a gardener tenderly mending delicate stems after a harsh winter. Your brain's communication highways start flowing more smoothly again. And that mental clarity you remember from years past? It's not gone forever. A fascinating study followed adults who stopped drinking for just 2 weeks. Brain scans showed increased activity in areas responsible for decision-making and memory. Participants reported sleeping deeper, thinking clearer, and feeling more emotionally balanced. But here's what moved me most about this research. The changes weren't dramatic or overwhelming. They were gentle, gradual, like watching the sunrise slowly brighten a room. Your brain doesn't need months to begin healing. It starts whispering its gratitude in days. If you're curious about your own 14-day journey, here's a gentle approach. Replace your evening drink with herbal tea or sparkling water with a slice of lemon. Take a 5-minute walk each day, letting your mind wander freely. Keep a simple journal, just a sentence or two about how you feel. Notice the small shifts, the way you wake up, the clarity in conversations. Be patient with yourself. Change is a conversation, not a command. Your brain has been waiting patiently for this gift of rest. What small step toward clarity feels right for you today? Share your thoughts in the comments below. This is Gloriva, where change begins with science.
Gloriva, where science lights the way.